Tragedy struck at a TVK chief Vijay Salem rally after a 37-year-old identified as a Suraj from Maharashtra collapsed after he got caught in the heavy crowd. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time, where due to the intense heat, the man suddenly collapsed. He was immediately rescued by his friends and sent to a government hospital in an ambulance, but his condition was critical and hence was later taken to another hospital in Nayakanapatti for further treatment. After examination, doctors declared that he was brought dead. The man is survived by 2 children. Anandanapatti police have now launched an investigation into the circumstances surrounding the incident, and earlier in the day, the entry standard operating procedures SOPs was significantly tightened for TVK chief Vijay's election campaign meeting in Salem. Following the Karur stampede last year that resulted in 41 deaths, a strict verification of identity cards of party members and functionaries were conducted at the venue. My colleague Thoya Jakshi is joining me right now to get us more details. Thoya Jakshi, take us through what do we know about the situation on ground? Do we know for a fact that TVK members have gotten in touch with the family of the deceased? Whether Vijay was present on the spot when this incident happened? How did this chaos pan out?
Well, Samya, a 37-year-old man from Maharashtra who's been identified as Suraj died after collapsing during the Tamalaga Vetri Karagam, executive meeting, campaign held in Salem today, where Suraj, who was residing in Kodalampatti, and was employed in Velaipatti. He also lived in Salem for almost 20 years. He also attended, the meeting with his friends to have a glimpse of actor turned politician Vijay, but reportedly got caught in a heavy crowd-like situation inside the venue and collapsed due to the insane heat that exposure. He also rushed by the ambulance to the government hospital and later shifted to a private hospital in Nayakanpatti, where doctors later declared him that he was brought dead. Now the Anandanpatti police station have taken custody of this body and initiated an investigation. Reacting to the incident, the TNCC president, K. Selva Perandakai, has also expressed a profound grief over Suraj's death and during the Tamalaga Vetri Karagam event and conveyed his heartfelt condolences to the family, while also wishing a speedy recovery to those who were injured and undergoing treatment at the hospital. And also, Samya, it is said that Vijay was still there at the venue, and it is also said that during the campaign, due to overheat, he fainted, and at that point of time, his friends rushed him to the nearby hospital. But then, due to his condition was very critical, they immediately shifted him to another private hospital. That is where the doctors declared that he was brought dead. So we'll have to wait and see. We still haven't got any official statement from the TVK party, so we'll have to wait and see what kind of reaction that the TVK party is going to give in this matter.
For the organizers, Thoya Jakshi, did they not know that a situation like this can arise? Could this have been avoided? Could they have ensured that there is better crowd management so that accountability can be fixed?
Well, Samya, you see what happened in Karur stampede tragedy, where they had told that, 5,000 people would, come, but more than 5,000 people who gathered for the rally back there. But this is, this is a place it is almost a 10-acre place where this event took place, in Salem, where only 5,000 people who were invited for this particular event, and that too people who had a QR code. Only those people were allowed to go into this venue. We can also see in the visuals, where as Vijay was entering into the venue, you can see that the people were just jumping off the barricades and just trying to go in front of Vijay's vehicle and to just have a glimpse of him. And now that even the organizers had really issued almost more than 30 plus conditions were imposed, for this particular event, where it was also said that elderly women and elderly people were supposed to not come to this event, and also pregnant ladies were not supposed to come to this event. These kind of conditions were already given during the time of they're seeking the permission with the Salem district police. But here you see the organizers, even they had clearly maintained, but after Karur stampede that took place, there were
But
there
Thoya
were
Joshi, this
other.
cannot be seen as a one-off incident, is because in the run-up to the assembly elections in Tamil Nadu, there is going to be more such rallies that will be held not only by the TVK but the other political parties as well. There has to be a set SOP that should be put in place to ensure that such an incident is not repeated. There seems to be no learning in the first place, but especially when it comes to Vijay's rallies, because he's a superstar, he's a actor turned politician now, his rally particularly sees more crowd than expected.